Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Pinterest to build a digital vision board. So follow these steps to create a visual, inspiring and organized digital vision board on Pinterest. So you will just sign up or log in, just create your account on Pinterest and you will just define your vision like on your goals or themes, example career, travel, fitness, personal or growth. You will just write down key ideas or keywords of each category, and if I just move in my profile and I will just move in and I will just show you that how to create a new board of your personal. So if I just scroll down and simply just tab on this plus icon, and here is the board option second. And right now example, you will just write your board name like of 2025 uh, vision board. So I will just write it 2025 vision board, and I will just keep this board secret. I will just select it and just tab on create. So when you just go in the home page of Pinterest, so you will just search bar like right over here to find pins related to your goals like dream home or business success. So I will just write it dream home. I will just tab on it, and you will just add a keyword like athletics or inspiration for better results. And when you just find it, and you will just like I will just tap on it home, and you will just save pins to your board easily. Just tab on profile and just simply add on this 2025 vision board. So you will just organize your board or reprints. So in this way you can just use Pinterest to build a digital vision board. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.